7:30 AM on the Croft on Sunday morning. Freya's just had her breakfast and having a drink. Morning everyone. We have some blue skies. Really nice start to the day. Freya's enjoying the sunshine, aren't you, Freya? You've just had your breakfast, Freya. You wanting snacks or something? Trying to get Freya to go to the toilet before we go out. You're due one, aren't you, Freya? Come on, let's jiggle your tummy a little bit. Get some movement. One of our Christmas trees is growing a lot. Going to get some lights sorted for Christmas, I think, and light the place up a little bit. It's about 12 degrees this morning with a little bit of a breeze, not too bad, but yeah, beautiful views. Freya's more bothered about the ground level views, I think. The winter field's looking good. Just have to wait for the hay to dry out a little bit more, I think. And then hopefully we get some more growth in time for winter, so the horses can have a good supply of grass. They should have, to be honest. It's a big field. Freya's still not gone to the toilet. She's just listening to the cows. She's enjoying the view. We've got some nice thistles growing, Scottish thistles. Freya, you need to hurry up a little bit because I've got Jock and Robyn, the Shetland ponies, to feed. They've been neighing at me already to sort their morning feed out. So come on. Come on, Freya. Let's go. Freya can be quite stubborn sometimes, can't you? You can be quite stubborn. Come on, let's go. The morning routine's a little bit more relaxed at weekends. One of the cats is on our water bunker. Hopefully Freya doesn't see her. Abby is looking at Freya. Oh, my camera's shaking. I do apologise. Oh, Freya's walking towards her. Freya's not noticed. There's the cat. Oh, it's good kind of exposure for Freya because she doesn't like the cats too much, but from a safe distance it's good to train her a little bit. Come on then, Freya, let's go. Freya's seen the cat and is looking at the cat. Freya's a lot better with cats compared to how she was when she first arrived, but I just have to be mindful and sensible. But the cats sometimes wind Freya up a little bit, so we have to be a bit careful. Freya's enjoying the sunshine and she doesn't want to go inside, which is fine. It's Sunday. It's a bit of a quieter day for you, isn't it, Freya? Right, let's sort Jock and Robyn, the Shetland ponies, out. Morning, Jock and Robyn. How you doing? Breakfast time, yeah? Morning, Robyn. You okay? You gonna enjoy some hay? Lovely morning, isn't it? Good morning, Jock. You gonna come and get some hay? Oh, you're having a little scratch. Want some hay, Jock? So Jock is the cheekiest of horses. He's a little Shetland pony, and some of you will know that Robyn, the little grey one, is his mum. She's quite shy, but he's a character. And he's about 7 years old now, something like that. I can't believe how nice it is here today. Just listen to the sounds of the birds. You right, little Ziva? Right, a quick coffee en route. So instead of Aberdeen, we're going to go to a place called Cruden Bay and a cafe called Trellis. Really nice cafe, and Cruden Bay you'll love, so stick around on this video. Just arrived at Trellis, just outside of Newborough. Let's see what they've got inside. They've got a really nice selection of cakes and foods here, so I would highly recommend coming in here if you're in the area. It's in Newborough, which isn't too far from Aberdeen. So we're just driving past the 4V Nature Reserve here. A lot of people do fly fishing here, and sometimes you'll see some seals. Right, we've just arrived at Cruden Bay. Sarah's gone for a burrito, breakfast burrito, and I've gone for a bacon and egg sandwich. Let's have a look. Oh, that looks nice. Oh, very nice, Sarah. And I've gone for bacon and egg. Looks like crispy bacon, which is good. That bacon looks nice. Just exploring Cruden Bay. So you've got a lovely beach here. I'm going to get my drone up for 10 minutes. You've got a sauna there as well. And then you've got the old harbour. And I'm going to get the drone up over here somewhere and then give you a view of the bridge. The tide's out at the minute, as you can see. Loads of rocks. It does get really rough here in winter time. You do get some kite surfers here as well, but a really nice beach. Golden sands. It gets incredibly windy here during the winter months. I've tried to come here with the drone a few times, but the conditions have just not been right. But today it's not bad. I reckon probably 10-mile-an-hour winds, which is suitable for the drone. Might get a little bit of rain later, but it's a great beach to come and fly the drone on and bring your dogs for a good walk. I've got my drone footage. Now I'm going to take some pictures as well, so I'll share those on the Instagram. It's at Crocker Hill. I'll leave a little description on the screen here, so you can go check out the Instagram. You've got a nice area here where you can bring camper vans for a small charge. It's nice. And then you've got this little harbour area here. So I've got some photos which I'll put on Instagram of some overhead shots. There you go, it's £10 a night for motorhomes and caravans, £1 for use of the toilet facilities, so it all helps pay for the upkeep. Let's have a little walk around here. I like coming here and places like this along the Aberdeenshire coastline just to get photographs of boats. I like taking photos of boats. Some lobster pots. I'm not a massive fan of seafood, to be honest. There's loads of it around here, but I don't like it. Do you like seafood? I like this little hut. They've grown some flowers in the welly boots. How cool is that? I like the rustic nature of this. Some more lobster pots. So we used to live in Coventry, which was landlocked in the centre of England. So since moving here, I absolutely love coming to the coast. It's so nice. It's one thing which I really wanted when we moved up to Scotland, to be by the sea. More lobster pots, there's loads of them here. Normally when I come here, it's very, very windy. Like it can get up to about 70, 80 miles an hour kind of wind. Pretty calm here for a change. We're not actually too far away from Slains Castle, which was the inspiration for Dracula. So I'm going to go down there another day, I think. I don't think I've got time today, but that's going to be a superb place to take the drone. It's like an old castle right on the coast, but I'll have to pick a decent day for it. Oh, I didn't notice this. It's like an old anchor. That's seen some action over the years, I guess. That's a beautiful place, this is. You can actually get flights up from, say, London or Birmingham or Luton to Aberdeen, and then it's probably only about half an hour drive from the airport. So if you're ever in the area, definitely come and have a look at Cruden Bay. During the winter, the water comes right up to over these rocks and right up to this kind of wall, and you do get some surfers here and some kite surfers. It looks absolutely crazy, like the water is very, very rough. Let's test this camera out on the iPhone just to see if we can zoom into this. I think it's an oil tanker or a big fishing boat. Yeah, it looks like a fishing boat, I think, but I'm no expert. Right, let's head back home and see the animals. It's been a really great Sunday morning. And to round off the trip, a strawberry McFlurry cornetto. These are absolutely amazing, so I would highly recommend you go and check them out if they're available wherever you are in the world. Freya, you can't have cornettos. Hello, little Ziva. We're back home. We're back home now. Little Ziva's come to say hello after getting home. Hello, Ziva. It's nice when you come home to see the animals. I hope you've enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and leave a comment. It really does help. I'm trying so hard to build up this channel. Gentle vibes only from the Croft here in Aberdeenshire, Scotland, and along the coastline. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.